Hey, what's up? Dirt Dog Scrapper here. Sorry I couldn't bring you along for the clothes steamer. That thing was a nightmare to take apart. And it just would have been a bad video. I don't want to put no bad videos up. Really trying to do this the right way. I didn't have a long enough Torx bed. I had to smash it apart. The camera stand fell over. Thank God the camera's alright. It just would have been a bad scene. I got here this big printer, looks like a Dell printer, fax machine, scanner, you know, all that stuff. Alright, first thing we're going to do, break that off. This is all plastic. We don't want that. Break that off too. This thing, there's a motor inside of here, so we're going to want that. Break that off. Get this motor out. Put my gloves on. Notorious for cutting myself. It's just something that happens all the time. So, smash that apart. Got the bit here, small bit. I think. Yeah. Got a piece of wire. This is all plastic. This rod right here, stainless steel, I think. I don't really save steel. Of course I don't save plastic, so it's garbage to me. Take that little piece of wire out of there. That's all garbage. Got this motor here. Piece of steel, some more plastic. Alright, we got a motor. Alright. This thing comes off. Take that off. We got some good wire here. Take out a couple of screws, see what it's connected to. This thing don't want to come apart that easily. Let's see. I really don't want to smash this because this is glass right here. Not really a big fan of having glass in the doghouse. So take this big flat. The hell is holding this thing? Nothing. Wire. Go through on this side. That's where they go. So there's really nothing inside here but a little piece of wire and that motor. Cut this wire out of there. Some more wire. This is all garbage unless you guys collect steel. You can take that out. I'm not going to waste my time. Oh man, this bitch. This little ribbon wire. Some people say you can throw it in with your #2 copper. I don't know about that, to tell you the truth. My scrapyard gives me a hard time about pretty much everything. I don't want to give them a reason to mess with me anymore. this is really the part that I want. More plastic. Nothing much in this one. For a big printer, not too much in it. Of course, they couldn't leave me any ink cartridges. Suckers. Save that. See what the scrapyard says about that. A little motor in here. Try and get that out. Channel locks. Got it. The seal that surrounds the motor. We got two baby motors. I always try to put my tools back where they come from. That way I'm not scrounging around looking for things when I try and do scrapping. I like to get the circuit board out of here just to show you what it is. What it looks like. Might be some gold on it. You don't know. So you really get it out, you can look at it. Now I can get to that screw. Just holding it in. Torx, so cut the piece of plastic that's holding it. What the hell else is holding this thing? Power supply out, of course. There's a screw right there. One stupid Torx screw that's holding it. I personally don't feel like finding the bit right now to get it, so we'll just cut it with the bolt cutters. I think that it's screwed onto Phillips. Alright, we got a piece of circuit board. Looks like mid-grade. It's green on both sides. Got these black chips, so we're going to put this with the mid-grade boards that we got. This thing. Never bypass this. This is what's got the gold in it. Take a hammer to it, get those gold pieces out that the printer cartridges rest into. Show you that. It's all gold there. So if you refine it or whatever you guys do, you save it, whatever. If you ever do a printer, always look for these, save these things. They're always good. That's why it wasn't coming out. I missed the screw. Any more? No. Good. Circuit board. Try and get this out somehow. Fry it out or something, I don't know. There we go. Little bitty pieces of gold. Not really worth much in my eyes, but hey, if you guys can save up, whatever, a bunch of it, find the right person that's looking for this stuff, it's definitely worth keeping. Alright, this is plastic. There's not much more in here, but one more motor. So we're going to take that out with the channel locks. Hopefully, come out easily. Piece of plastic in my way. Whoa! You guys see that? You should always wear protective glasses too. Could have easily just hit me in the face. Damn near did, but whatever. Get to those screws now. Get to at least one of them. Now maybe I could pry it out without taking the other screw out. Large flat back. Another piece of ribbon cable. Pretty much garbage in my eyes, but hey, why not save it? See what we can get for it. To even take it. Who knows? A little piece of wire that's stuck in there. Wire, piece of wire. That's it. That's all I got out of there that I wanted. The rest is steel in here. Probably break some of this plastic off of it. Bring this to the scrapyard if you guys collect steel. So that's what's in that huge printer that's worth of any value. Little bit of gold right here. Piece of circuit board. Take this out of the way. Alright, this is what we got. Piece of mid-grade circuit board, I guess you could say. It's got the black chips, it's green on both sides. I guess that means it's mid-grade plastic. Put this back. Mid-grade. This is a piece of mid-grade board too. Some of these boards in the printers have gold in them, on them. 1, 2, 3 motors. Ribbon. Ribbon cable, a little piece of wire, another piece of wire. There's not much in there. Printer power supply. Let's see what we got here. Cut the cord. Coat of copper. Gotta love that. Take this. Smash it to pieces. Large flat. Pry it out. Circuit board out. Low grade crap board. Doesn't matter if you break it. I don't save low grade. Gotta travel about 40 miles to the electronic scrap yard. And for the 10 cents a pound that you get for it, it's not worth it for me to save. So, piece of extruded aluminum. Come on, get out of there. Plastic. This is copper right there. Take this copper thingy off of there. See if there's any copper in this little thing. It went flying. It was too small for there to be any copper, I think, anyway. Got this little thing. That's copper right there. Don't throw that in with your motors or whatever. You can smash that apart very easily. You get that little piece of copper out. This, smash apart. This is a transformer. See if we can clip some of the circuit board off of it. You guys should know these transformers here, ones that are wrapped in tape like this, damn near impossible to take apart. These things, always connected to your heat sinks. Somebody told me that they're almost always number 2 copper. I put one on a grinder. Sure as hell it is copper. So I'm pretty sure you could throw these in your number 2 bucket. So, put these tools away. I'm going to end this video. I don't want to make these videos too long. Bore the hell out of you guys. This is what we got out of it. Coated copper here. Do things with the brass plug ends. I'll make a video on that. Some ribbon wire. I don't know what the hell that is. This piece here of extruded aluminum. Clean this up a little bit. Alright, we got wire, a little piece of circuit board, little transformer. This is garbage, these 3 motors. I'll show you what to do with these here. Smack it with a hammer good one time. All this copper comes flowing out like a river. Get the plastic and the ferrite out of there. I don't want to see none of that. Nice little piece of copper right there. Take the copper out of this one. That's it, and that's what's in a printer. For something so big, there's not much in them worth of value. So I don't know if it's worth it. Pick them up. I always do, just because I'm trying to collect that little bucket I got. I'm trying to fill that up to the top with little motors. By that time I should have big motors up to the ceiling. So guys, thanks for watching, man. Sorry I couldn't do the video on that damn clothes steamer. That just would have been it was a nightmare. And I'm sure the video would have got dislikes and all of that. So I'm trying to give you quality stuff. I hope this was alright. You guys know what to do. Please comment, like, subscribe. Dirt Dog Scrapping, and I'm out.